Same brake.
Welcome back, everybody. We're back out here at the high school, out in the parking lot. We're gonna play with Shifty again. We did some drifting last week with it. Now we're gonna do an obstacle course, and we're gonna see if we can get around this quickly and aggressively. There's some stuff out here that is pretty easy, and then there's some questionable stuff like
2x4s.
2x4s. Yeah. What are those called in vehicle tests? Rumble strips? I don't know. But either way, it's gonna suck really bad in Shifty. So
go-kart?
Yeah, the go-kart, yeah. It's not meant for that kind of stuff. Who's going first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You're out.
Oh man.
Andy gets to go first.
Okay, that works for me.
We can decide who goes second.
All right,
Ready?
ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I guess I'll go second.
Sweet.
All right, Andy.
Okay.
I will set you up for a lap time here, and you're gonna hit it as fast as you can. Don't get lost. And good luck.
Andy set this course up, so if he gets lost, we're all doomed.
Nah, I'll be all right. Okay, we're doing some kind of autocross rules for this course. So you're gonna go around one full lap. You're gonna start right here at the line.
Yep.
Okay, and then as you come around, this is your stop box, and then we're gonna have 3 tires right here at the end. Don't hit those.
No guarantees.
All right, we know Shifty's brakes work perfect.
Oh, they're great.
All right, are you ready?
Ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go! I did it! Go, Andy, go! Hey! Not bad!
Yeah, that chain's gonna get messed up.
It'll be all right. 20, 20, 43.
That's quick.
Is it?
Well, I mean, it's a
I can make nice or make history. I got that dog in me.
quick course.
It is quick. You got through it fast. How was the rumble strips?
They're all right.
It didn't look too bad.
Yeah. I'm stuck.
Oh.
Who's coming? There we go.
All right, 2043, the time to beat.
Time to beat.
Let's see if I can do any better.
You ready?
Ready.
That's it. Go.
Go, baby! Not good. Not a good start to the day.
Oh, hold up. We might be starving for fuel a little bit there. Our
Do we give him a restart?
our electrical tape is. Sure.
That was rough, brethren. Let's try that again.
Ready, set, go.
Oh my gosh.
Well,
1882.
woohoo! All right. I'll take 1882.
I don't know if the chain's gonna last much longer.
It'll be fine.
That kind of start. There's
Typical Hayden problems, can't find reverse.
Well, at least I can shift it through the gears without dropping a
I didn't know
gear.
it had reverse.
Yeah, you're right. Neutral. I'm sorry.
Should put reverse in this.
That's too far. There we go. Got it.
All right, Jason, let's see what you got, buddy.
Okay.
All right, what was the time?
18 something.
1882.
1882. How do you feel?
Like we're about to lose a chain.
Yeah.
Nope, it'll be fine. Let's do it.
Ready, set, go!
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Hey, look at that. Hey, you did
It's on yet,
Oh my gosh. What happened, guy?
I told you I couldn't figure out how you guys had the course laid out.
You just watched Andy and I do it twice.
It doesn't make any sense. There's no clear line to follow.
There is when you can see it in your head.
Great. I can't.
What was his time, Andy?
22:15.
22:15. That was a good rip until that corner. So, winning! All right, your first time was 20:43. Time to beat is 18:80, but let's just start with beating your time. Ready?
Sure.
Mark, get set, go! Oh, he's driving! Come on, Andy. That was good. That was really good.
That's the winning lap right there.
There's a lot of confidence.
17:68.
Yeah.
You shaved 4 seconds, bud. Atta boy.
Stop forgetting to, or trying to save a chain and just let her rip.
Just let her rip, dude. Chain ain't going anywhere. Oh, 17.5 seconds. All right. That's gonna be a little harder to beat.
Ready, set, go!
What a loser, dude. Loses his hat, dude. Did chain break?
I don't know.
What'd you break?
Hey, you didn't have to worry about teeth falling off. That wasn't the problem.
Chain broke?
No,
Oh,
the sprocket broke in half.
sweet.
Yeah, that,
Oh, wow. That's cool.
Yeah, dude. Look at that. Sprocket is split in two.
the sprocket is done.
Wouldn't have foreseen that being a problem.
All right, McMaster car. We want a replacement.
Yeah, step up your game. Your sprocket sucks. It doesn't make that much power. Shoot, well.
We don't really abuse it.
Well, that's a disappointment. Guess we're gonna have to go get something else. Good job, Hayden. Breaking everything, you know. That's what I do. I had to send it because I botched it on the line, so I had to do something cool, I guess. And I guess that's as cool as it gets. You break it.
Well,
Gosh dang it.
Party's over.
till next time.
What a party pooper. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.